This next dance move is from the really popular video game Fortnite, and you've seen people flossing all over the internet. Everybody knows Backpack Kid can floss really, really fast, but we're going to break it down for you, and we're going to show you how to do it with a partner. When you're dancing with a partner, it's important to use counts so that you can stay on the same beat. Also, this step is really fun just to do by yourself as fast as you can, but we'll break it down first. We're going to have Megan start facing the back so you can follow along. So we begin with a pretty wide stance, and our first position is 1, with both arms out to the side, and your weight is shifted so your hips are back to the right. This is 1. Megan's going to show us 2. So now her weight is on her left foot, and she's pushed through her hands. She's going to push back 3, back to the start position, and then she switches sides 4. So now her weight is on her left foot and her arms pass in front of her body to go to the other side. Let's rewind and connect all those counts slowly. 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, switch, 4. Good. From here, this is just like the start position on the other side. So you're going to push through 5, 6, switch 7 through 8. Good. Another way to think about this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's show you with those counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when we count it this way, count 1 is always arms out and weight back. Count 2 is always thrusting through the arms and shifting your weight forward. Count 3, you return to the start position, and then you change places. So this is your new 1. Then you shift through 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, a little faster, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For this one, it really helps to start slow. Make sure you've got your positions very clear and very precise for which count you're going, and then work up speed and let your momentum kind of take over. Now, the arm position can be a little tricky. We're going to have Megan actually face me, so we're facing the side, so you can see what part of her body the arms swipe across. So Megan begins 1, arms in front of the body. 2, she goes through the arms. On 3, arms in front of the body. Now we switch, arms come in front, and we're back to 1. Go through the arms, 2, return 3. Switch directions, arms in front of the body, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A little faster, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. We're going to have her face the front just so you can see it from that angle. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The idea here is that you're sort of like a tick-tock clock. There's not really a lot going on in your upper body. You sort of just let your arms dangle. There's also a sense of weight in the arms. Imagine you're holding 2 like heavy dumbbells, and that's pulling your arms down and straight. To practice this, like I said, just start slow and you work your way up. When we're dancing this with a partner, it's nice to count it in 8s so that we know where we're going and what count we're stopping. And especially since dancers count music in 8s, this makes a lot of sense. So we're going to go slowly. Let's face the back, and we're going to count in 8s. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause. So you'll notice that we don't end up exactly where we started in. It's a little bit off. That's all good. Just go with it and allow yourself to count to 8 so that you stay with the music. So now we're going to do 2 8s in a row. From the beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So long as you and your partner are together and you're moving at the same time, this is going to look good. If it feels better to count in eighths, or if you just want to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, do whatever works for you. As long as you're together and you're not out of control fast, it's going to look good. Now, when you're doing this by yourself, maybe at a wedding reception or whatever, just throw the counts out the window and go as fast as you can. Megan, you want to show us what that looks like? Just have fun with it. Keep the arms straight, move the hips a lot, and smile. You'll look great.